Resting squats, or the practice of sitting in a deep squat position for extended periods, have played a significant role in shaping the human body throughout history. This position, which was commonly used in daily life by early humans and is still prevalent in many non-Western cultures today, has had both evolutionary and functional impacts on our anatomy, biomechanics, and posture. Deep squats position requires and promotes a high degree of ankle flexibility. Over generations, this has contributed to the development of stronger, more adaptable ankle joints. In societies where squatting is a daily habit, the Achilles tendon remains flexible and strong, enabling greater mobility. In contrast, modern Western lifestyles, characterized by extensive use of chairs, lead to stiff ankles and reduced dorsiflexion, affecting balance and movement efficiency. Regular squatting increases hip flexibility, which helps in maintaining joint health and mobility. In ancient humans, whose activities included hunting, gathering, and other physically demanding tasks, this flexibility was essential for survival. Prolonged squatting also strengthens the muscles around the hips, such as the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps, contributing to the entire power and agility needed for activities like running, jumping, or lifting heavy objects. The biomechanics of resting squats promote a more neutral alignment of the spine. When the hips are properly aligned under the torso in a squat, the spine can remain naturally elongated, which reduces stress on the lumbar, lower back, region. This contrasts with prolonged sitting in chairs, which often leads to slouching and poor posture. Squatting may have contributed to the evolution of a more upright posture in early humans, which became crucial as they transitioned to bipedalism, walking on 2 feet. Resting in a deep squat position helps with digestion by naturally compressing the abdominal organs, promoting the movement of food through the digestive tract. In traditional cultures, squatting is still used for eating, and it's believed that this position helps to stimulate bowel movements and improve overall gastrointestinal health. The improved circulation and massaging effect on internal organs also enhance metabolism, which may have helped ancient humans to process their diets more efficiently. Squatting promotes pelvic floor strength, which is vital for maintaining reproductive health and facilitating childbirth. In many traditional societies, women gave birth in a squatting position because it opens the pelvic outlet wider, allowing for easier delivery. This practice is linked to lower rates of complications during labor. By maintaining a strong and flexible pelvic floor, humans adapted to support reproductive success, which was critical for the survival of early communities. Resting squats activate the muscles of the core and lower body without the need for external resistance. The prolonged engagement of the core muscles helps to stabilize the torso, while the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves support the body's weight in a low position. This kind of static strength training contributes to entire endurance, balance, and coordination, which were essential in the physically demanding lifestyles of early humans. This also led to the development of powerful legs, which were advantageous for running and other forms of locomotion. In pre-industrial societies, squatting was a natural and frequent activity during daily routines, such as preparing food, working in the fields, or resting. The extensive use of squatting meant that people remained active even during periods of rest, promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle. Modern societies, by contrast, often rely on chairs and sedentary postures, leading to a more inactive way of life that contributes to various health problems, including obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and musculoskeletal issues. Early humans adapted to natural environments where sitting on the ground was more common than using elevated furniture. Squatting provided a resting position that was both comfortable and functional, allowing people to stay close to the ground while still being ready for action. Whether preparing to flee from predators or quickly resume work, the squat offered a versatile position that conserved energy and facilitated immediate mobility. This position also allowed humans to stay warm by minimizing exposure to cold ground, which played a role in thermal regulation. Despite the clear benefits of squatting, modern lifestyles have largely abandoned this natural posture. With the rise of industrialization and the introduction of chairs and desks, the human body has adapted to more sedentary habits. This has led to a variety of health problems, such as lower back pain, hip stiffness, and weakened muscles, which are rare in cultures where squatting is still the norm. As a result, many modern fitness programs emphasize the importance of incorporating squatting exercises to restore balance, strength, and flexibility to the human body. In conclusion, the practice of resting squats has significantly influenced the human body's evolution and function. From promoting flexible joints and strong muscles to enhancing digestive health and facilitating childbirth,